name is Asif Ali, and I work as an IT consultant. I have been working in industry since last more than 15 years. Worked on in-house built ERP applications and deployment and implementation of those applications. Worked on infrastructure deployment and technical support in all those aspects. After coming to NetSoft, I have taken almost 10 trainings here at NetSoft, and I have done a number of certifications in Microsoft, Citrix Administrator, and VMware VCP. A couple of my friends, they told me about NetSoft, and they brought me here, and I found it pretty good, and I joined. I can tell that the quality of the training at NetSoft is perfect. It is very comprehensive and very intensive training, and it really makes a difference. NetSoft is different from many traditional IT institutes. It's different in a sense that the training provided here is very comprehensive and intensive. NetSoft has deployed a state-of-the-art virtualized lab environment, and for that, the student, they don't even have to come to the college. They can sit at home and they can do their labs remotely. NetSoft trainers are different from the other institute, the trainer in the other institute, because they are from the industry. They are working in their field, and what they are teaching in the college, they have their career in that subject. So that's why they are having more hands-on, they have more practical knowledge behind them, so they can deliver the training in a best possible way. The courses at NetSoft are delivered in a perfect way. The time is spent in a classroom, which goes beyond 80 hours to something close to 120 hours. And after that, whatever hands-on lab have been given to the student, they need to spend a lot of time doing those labs. So in that sense, the training provided from NetSoft, it does make difference. When we join our course, our trainer, they ask us to do homework. We have home assignment given to us. We have to do our lab, our assignment in the classroom, not at our pace, but it should be done during a specific time, which makes things more challenging. We have lab given to us, exercises given to us, which we need to do at home. Those home fun assignment also we have to do in time. That's make you put more effort toward your learning, which helps you a lot. When you join NetSoft for any course, you will be spending enough time in the class. Your instructor is going to help you to get involved in learning process, which is a benefit which you will get. You will not get out of that course without learning anything. Once you are in a course, one thing which you will regret, you will not going to have more time out, but you will be spending time in the classroom, and also you'll be spending time at your home doing your home fun assignments. So your time for your luxury will be less, and you'll be putting more time toward your training. But remember, this is in your benefit. I have heard many success stories in NetSoft. Many of those, I just heard about those. But I have met with many people, I have seen their lifestyle, and I have seen that they have enhanced their lifestyle and their career a lot after joining the NetSoft. When we join a class in NetSoft, we spend almost 12 hours to 20 hours per week in the classroom. It is not that time which we spend on our study, but we have to spend extra time at home also, doing our home fun assignment. Spending more than 20 hours, 30 to 35 hours in a week is a lot to do learning. And by spending that time, we do get a lot of benefit and we do get a lot of learning during a week. Once we come close to finishing up our program at NetSoft offer Hire Me training. During the Hire Me training, the instructor provide a lot of tips to write resume, critique your resume, and how we are going to get the job hunting done. That helps a lot. It helps a lot for our interview preparation, our job searching exercise, and it motivates us a lot towards the job hunting process. Each and every student have different experiences. Some of them they have learned a lot about Citrix and they find that better. In my case, I have learned a lot in VMware virtualization, and that has helped me a lot to enhance and grow my career. VMware training was the one which was my favorite, and I was too much involved in that training. I worked in VMware, I worked on that product in my job also, and it has really helped me, and I like to work on a virtualization platform. By looking at all these benefits, the training, the time NetSoft spent on their student, all these, the lab environment which is available here, by looking at all these benefits, I recommend other students also who are looking to enhance their career, enhance their skills in IT. I will recommend them to join NetSoft. By the time going, new products are coming in the market, new technologies are being introduced. So if you are thinking about switching your career or developing your career or enhancing your skill in your IT career, don't wait. Just join NetSoft. You will get hands-on training on the current product, and also in the future you will get new technologies also, new trainings also offered by NetSoft. So I will say, instead of waiting and just being in the state of confusion, just come and join.